Hi, I'm Michael Quillen at Anderson Law. Yeah, so a lot of people ask, should I get an attorney? And sometimes I think maybe I'm a little biased, but I think everybody should get an attorney. The biggest reason why is you need somebody on your side that's going to help you and can tell you everything that you need to know. Insurance companies will sometimes appear to be your friend. They're going to ask you all sorts of questions, but rarely do they answer any of your questions. And you might not know what questions to ask. So having an attorney, somebody who's been through this before, who knows what options and questions you might have, can really help your case. A lot of times people ask me whether or not I think they need to get an attorney after they've been hurt. And I always say that you should at least sit down and talk with an attorney early on. And I'd say that for 3 reasons. The first one would be so you know your options. You know what rights you have, you know what potential outcomes could be, and just you have more information to make an informed decision. My favorite title as an attorney is counselor. And that's my job, is to counsel you, to give you options and know everything that you can decide to do. Second, you have somebody that's fighting for you, somebody that's on your side. Everybody thinks that your insurance company is your best friend, and they talk to you and they're there to hear you and answer all of your questions. But the reality is that for every question you might have, they're going to be asking you 3 or 4 more questions. And you won't know what questions you need to ask. And so an attorney can help you know what questions to ask. And 3, at the end of the day, people want to know, how did this impact my life, and is my case worth anything? And you need to have an attorney that's on your side, that knows you, knows your case, knows your circumstances, knows that you're not just a number, and can answer those questions and give you a valuation of what your case is worth, and not some insurance company that's trying to pay you the least amount of money. Let me share with you a recent example of why it was good to have an attorney. One of my clients was involved in a car crash and was trying to resolve the case by himself. Unfortunately, he couldn't. The insurance company blamed him for causing the crash and refused to listen to anything he said. He came and spoke with me, and we got involved. We filed the lawsuit and presented the evidence, and the insurance company was wrong. That's just one example of why having an attorney can help you. I'm Michael Quillen with Anderson Law. Give me a call and see if we can help.